Hi Kipsters, this is Miss Sherman. Today we're going to review our Hide Zero cards. So for your homework today, you're going to be using your Hide Zero cards. So before we start the lesson, I would like it if you could grab your homework, your Hide Zero cards, and 19 small objects that you can count along with Miss Sherman with. It can be anything like Q-tips, Legos, noodles, anything small that you have 19 of. That way you can practice along with me. So if you don't have those things, you can pause the video and go and grab them. If you have them already, wonderful, and we're going to get started. So for your homework today, you're going to see a page that looks like this and a page that looks like this. So we're going to review this quick because it says that we're going to whisper count as we draw the number, and we're going to fill one 10 frame first and show our numbers with our Hide Zero cards. So this right here is the same thing as this. So I drew a line because in here we have a nice space. So this is our 10 frame and this is our other 10 frame. And we have our Hide Zero cards right here. So what we're going to do is talk about, this number 10 means we have how many ones? 10, right? Great job. So if I were to use my objects, and you can do this with me, now, you might not have a 10 frame in front of you, and that's okay. You can make yours in a 5 group like this over here. So we're going to count at 10 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's saying that we have 10 ones. That's in our 10 frame. Now, I know you guys are so smart, and you probably know this number. This number is what number? 17. Great job. Now, if we say it the 10 way, it's 10-7. So we're going to hide our 0 with the 7. I have 10 ones, and we're going to show 7 ones. So let's do that together. We have our 10 here, which is this number in our tens place. Then we need to put some numbers in our ones place, so we're going to count out 7 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have 10-7. We have 10-7. So you guys are so smart, you know that saying 17 means the same thing as 10-7. So that's how we can fill in our 10 frame to match our Hide Zero cards. You can also do it, we did it both ways. First we saw 10 and we put down 10, and we saw 7 and we put down 7. Maybe we're going to see, now we're going to count how many we have. So how many do we have? Can you count first and then we'll say it all together? Great, so we know this is 10. Let's count it all together. 10-1, 10-2, 10-3, 10-4, 10-5, 10-6, 10-7, 10-8, 10-9. If we're counting the, say, 10 way, it's 19. So we're going to hide the 0 with what number? 9. You guys are so smart. Give yourself a nice pat on the back. So for your homework, you're going to see a page that looks like this. And it says whisper count as you draw the number. Fill one 10 frame first. Show your numbers with your Hide Zero card. So we're going to practice this one together, and you guys are going to try the rest of these problems on your own. So the first number, what number is this? 12. Awesome. How do we say it to say 10 way? 10-2, right? Because 2 hides the 0. So it's the same as saying we have 10 and 2. So we're going to fill in our 10 frame like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Notice how I filled in 10 first. How many am I going to put down here? We did our 10. What number's in our ones place? 2, right? So we're going to put 1, 2. So did I fill in my 10 frame first? Yes. Did I count as I drew the number? Yes. If I count it the regular way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, it matches our say 10 way of 10-2. Now we need to show our numbers with our Hide Zero cards. So if we put down 10 first with our Hide Zero card, we'll put it down here. What number are we going to hide the 0 with for this problem? Yeah, we're going to look for our 2, right? So we see the number right here, 2. 10, 2 is the same as 12. So you guys are going to try that for the rest of those problems. And then on the back, it says draw and circle 10 ones and some more ones to show each number. So you guys are already masters at circling groups of 10 and showing the number. So I want to see if we can practice with this number with the say 10 cards. How would we do 11 with the say 10 cards? I want you to take out your 10 cards. Or your hide 0 cards, sorry. And we're going to see if we have 11, what number do we hide 0 with? 1. Good job. If we have if we have 12, what number do we hide 0 with? 2. And how do we say it the 10 way? 10, 2. Good job. If we have 13, what number are we going to hide the 0 with? Good. 3. And how do we say that the say 10 way? 10, 3. Awesome. 14 is what? The say 10 way? So what number are we going to put over our 0? What number are we going to hide the 0 with? 4. So now I just want to do a quick drill just to really review these cards. We're going to count each number. We're going to practice hiding the 0. So we start with 10, 10 ones. What number is this? 11. What is it the say 10 way? 10, 1. Good job. What number is this? Good. 12. How do we say it the say 10 way? 10, 2. Good job. Notice how our 2 hides the 0. I'm going to try to trick you guys now. What number is this? 16. Awesome job. And how do we say it the say 10 way? 10, 6. You guys are so smart. I hope that you guys enjoyed reviewing the hide 0 cards. Keep practicing your math. Make sure you send a picture to your teachers of your work. We can't wait to see how hard you've all been working. Have a good weekend.